Right, hello everybody. I thought today I will talk about a little bit about Aseprite for programmers. So let's just get right into it. Okay. I have the quick script I wrote up a batch script for using in command line, and basically all it does is I have Aseprite in my path. If you don't know what to do that, just look up. It's your environment variables, your path stuff. Just loop over every single one of them. And then I export them. I get the file name and I save it as a PNG with the name of it, and it loops through every single file in recursively to also go to directories. Now you might be wondering, what's the point of this? What is the point of this? Well, you don't have to just do the way I'm doing it, which is just exporting the Aseprite files into PNGs. You can do a bunch of other things. You can in fact there's documentation on it. Like it's just a command line argument. You can give it options, you can give it files. There's like a lot of options. You can pick the data, sheet width, you know. Lots of data, lots of options, command line arguments. What else is there? I can give a quick example. This is going to be a very short video to talk about it. So say I have this Aseprite file. I go into it. I want to modify it. So let's just say make it all pink and everything. I save that, and then I just run the script. It'll take a quick moment. It's going to do that for every single file with Aseprite file in it. So it basically means I can have all the Aseprite files in them, and then export it as a PNG. So when I boot up Godot and just run it, I should see it right there. That's all there is really to it. And then I can just undo this, so nice quick undo, and run the script again. And it should be all nice and proper. So yeah, just like that. Quite nice, quite useful. It's mainly useful for people, artists, but it's also probably useful for programmers. The programmer can just have the source Aseprite files in there, and then have it set up so that it exports it particular for what it needs to be. So you can also bring in extra data. So if I go into here, you export, export spreadsheet. You can have extra data here. You can have an output file. You can have JSON data. If you need to specify specific information, so you can have your layers. You can have your tags. You can have your slicers. I think tags is the main one, which is most useful. You can have borders. You can specify sprite, and you can specify a layout. It's particularly useful, but not just for like exporting single images like this, but also for exporting sprite sheets. So it's sometimes more useful if you're going to be working with an artist, but it's also quite useful for someone like me, because I don't want to just go through like every single one. Like if I need to make a slight adjustment to all my Aseprite files, I don't want to just go into each one. I have to export it and just export it over and over and over and over for each Aseprite file. Instead, I just have a nice quick script I run, and bam, everything's in there. Or if artists want to see what's in there, you just run that script, and bam, he just sees everything in the game. No extra work from him, because everything's just automatically integrated. Would it work with other game engines? Well, probably. I'm not sure. It probably will work. Godot, I know, definitely works for it. Game Maker. Would Game Maker work for it? Game Maker would work for it, yeah. So yeah, that's all there is really to it. Just a quick video to show all this stuff. The place where you want to check out is probably the documentation. You can give a command line argument, and yeah, that's all there is really to it. It's a really nice thing. It's very short, very sweet, very simple. I don't know if there's really much else to talk about here. No, nothing else. I'm not missing anything, am I? No, I haven't. Okay, yeah, that's everything. Yeah, subscribe, like, drop a comment. It's your, just for the algorithm, blah blah blah, that kind of junk. I'll catch you on the next video whenever that ever happens.